Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure a SIP trunk. First, gather your SIP trunk provider's details, including their IP address or host name, and your authentication credentials. Next, ensure your network is ready by checking firewall settings to allow SIP traffic, typically on UDP ports 5060 and 5061, and RTP ports in the 10, 000 to 20, 000 range. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth setup. Now, access your PBX or VoIP gateway's configuration interface. Navigate to the SIP trunk settings and input the provider's server address. Enter your assigned username and password for authentication. Then, define the number of concurrent calls your trunk supports. This ensures your system can handle the expected call volume without issues, establishing the connection to your provider. Next, we'll configure your dial plan and call routing. Create outbound routes that specify how calls are directed through the SIP trunk, often based on dial digits. For inbound calls, set up rules to route them to specific extensions, hunt groups, or IVR. This step ensures calls reach their intended destinations efficiently, providing a seamless experience for callers. Finally, it's time for thorough testing. Make several inbound and outbound test calls to confirm everything is working as expected. Pay close attention to call quality and ensure no calls are dropping. If you encounter any issues, consult your PBX logs for error messages, which can provide valuable clues for troubleshooting. This final check ensures reliable communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.